Frustrated because the MenuCart widget is nowhere to be found in Elementor? It's a pro feature, but you can still add it. Discover the exact clicks to enable it in under 20 seconds. First, we'll open the home page in Elementor. Then, we'll navigate through the settings menu to find the MenuCart widget and activate it. Start by going to the home page and opening it with Elementor to get into the editor. Then, click on the first highlighted area that catches your attention. Next, click on the following highlighted element as well. Now, click on the Site section in the menu to open up your site settings. From there, go ahead and select MenuCart to add that widget. You'll see a prompt to use the MenuCart widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Go ahead and click on that. Then hit Upgrade Now to proceed with the upgrade. And finally, click Upgrade Now once more to confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.